We'll be converting a simple image into a stunning 3D video using the power of artificial intelligence. But before we get started, I'll show you how to generate the image we'll use as the base for our 3D video with the help of Leonardo AI. It creates production quality visual assets for your projects with unprecedented quality, speed, and style. Alright, let's kick things off by generating our image. I'll be using Leonardo AI, an incredible AI-powered creative tool. Here's how it's done. Visit the Leonardo AI website. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Click on AI Image Generation. Select the model. I have chosen 3D animation style. It will generate images in Disney style. Now let's set the image ratio. I will go with 16:9 as it best suits the scenario. I will delete the already written prompt. For our project, let's set the prompt as create a vivid image of a young boy on his journey as a skilled hunter. Picture him in the heart of a dense, ancient forest, surrounded by towering trees and dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. After checking all the settings, click Generate, and within seconds, Leonardo AI will create a beautiful image based on your prompt and style preferences. You can click on the Download Image option to download them. I have chosen For Images option, that is why it has generated for images. You can choose the number of images you want to generate. I will show the images I have generated one by one. You can see they all have high quality. Now that we have our image, it's time to transform it into a 3D video. Here's what we'll do. Go to Runway ML, which is free software to generate 3D video of your image. One more interesting feature it has is text-to-image option. If you want to know how it works, just leave a comment. I will make video about it. Now, I will choose Start with Image option. After going through these approvals one by one, now, I will upload the image that we have generated through Leonardo AI. It will take some time to get upload. You can see it has been uploaded. Before clicking the Generate option, you can adjust setting, you can increase or decrease the motion in video. It also has some features which are available for paid version. By default, duration for the video is 4 seconds. Now I click the Generate option. Wait for a few seconds. You can see video is here. As you can see, it has converted image to 3D video. You can extend the video using this option. It will extend the video for another 4 seconds. You can download it from this option. As you can see, it has generated video of image. I will select this Extend 4 seconds option to extend the video. After a few seconds, it will extend the video size. Let me play this video for you. Here I have generated another video from the same image. Now, I will tell you incredible method to extend video size. Now to extend video, I will simply take the screenshot of the last slide of video. And then I will upload the screenshot to convert that image to 3D video. After a few seconds, it will convert that screenshot to a 3D video. I will play it for you. Let's download this video. Open your preferred video editing software. I'm using CapCut because it is user-friendly. Create a new project. Import the 3D videos we generated with Runway ML. To edit, drag and drop all the videos onto the timeline. Add animations to create movement and depth within the video. You can pan, zoom, and rotate the video to add a 3D effect. I will set duration of animation to whole clip. Adding animation to all the clips one by one. You can simply do all of this on your mobile using editor. Okay, so once you have done, just play this video and let me play this video for you, and you can see this is looking a flat complete video, the 2 without any mishap, without any fault in it, and this is looking a 1 complete video. But so that was a detailed quick video on how you guys can generate your animations by just using a single image, and then how you can extend the length of your video. So that's it from this video.